Mathematical operation in Python program. Let's start. At first, addition. Five plus 5, 9 plus 5. Now let's start subtraction. 5 minus 4, 10 minus 5, and multiplication. 9 times 9, 9 into 7, now division. 9 divided by 3. Here integer is converted into float. To perform integer operation, we write double divide, that is 9, double divide by 3. And to perform modulus operation, we use modulus, that is percentage, and divided by 3. 19 divided by 19 modulus 5. In this way, we can perform all mathematical operation in Python program. I'm going to talk about Python math module. In Python, you can find a lot of modules which you can get by clicking on help and Python docs. Python module index. There are lots of Python modules. Now I am going to talk about math. In math, there are lots of math function, that is math.cell, that returns the smallest or greater equal to. Math.fabs print absolute value. Math.factorial, and a lot of it. Now let me show you an example. Import math that is math.py. it is math.cell, that is 3.8. Let me see. Math.ceil, CEIL. It is math.ceil 3. Now perform math.floor. Which is math.floor. Similarly, math.factorial, factorial factorial, that is 4. In this way, you can perform any math module in Python program.